After slow first week, Coinbase NFT Marketplace records $100K in daily sales. Continue to watch if you want to learn more. Before we go into detail, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content. And if you want to continue getting this value for free, help us win the YouTube algorithm. You know what to do. If you're looking to grow your NFT, DeFi, crypto, or metaverse knowledge, then please see the resource links in the description box below. We have Kindle ebooks, print books and audiobooks on all your favorite crypto and blockchain subjects. Therefore, check the resources in the description box below and start earning today. After more than a year of fiery development, the NFT track has broken many industry records. However, after the hustle and bustle, the NFT market has gradually become calm. A few days ago, Chris Brown, the best rapper at the 58th Grammy Awards, announced the launch of the NFT series The Oracles. Football star David Beckham submitted an application for metaverse and NFT-related trademarks. China Li Ning established Boring Ape Club China Li Ning division and is preparing to launch this series of clothing. Moonbirds is currently the top trending collection on Coinbase NFT, surpassing the Bored Ape Yacht Club, the Mutant Apes, and Gary Vaynerchuk's VFriends series 2. On the user's homepage, Coinbase NFT can set avatars and nicknames, associate Ethereum addresses, and also support personalized applications, such as personal information, showing or hiding NFT, and linking Twitter and Instagram. In addition, the Coinbase NFT market also supports following and interacting functions. Any user can check the following status and publicly comment and like in the comment area. It is foreseeable that this function has become an important platform for buyers and sellers to communicate or discuss onlookers. If you want to know more about NFTs, non-fungible tokens, DeFi, decentralized finance, crypto trading, and the metaverse, then the links below will help you get from beginner to advance in no time. Coinbase officially revealed that it will also add functions such as NFT minting, drop, and token-gated communities. It will be one of the core competencies of the platform's social functions, which can truly realize the vision of helping creators build communities on the platform and gather more loyal users on the platform. Therefore, to a certain extent, Coinbase NFT not only benchmarks the decentralized NFT market Apencia, but also proposes innovations on this basis. Coinbase believes that the current NFT track has lost its impetuousness and fanaticism, and all players have started shrinking games as the crypto market goes bearish. The ever-changing NFT market has faded away from the irrational fanaticism of the market, but once a new platform or project emerges with new development ideas, NFT will usher in a benign development stage. In the long run, the realization of the NFT track can be expected, but it needs to be rational. Before we go, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content like this video you just watched. And if you got some sort of value from this video, please smash the like button, smash subscribe, and hit the notifications button so you always get alerted when we publish value-driven content like this before anyone else does. And together we win. If you're looking to grow your NFT, DeFi, crypto, or metaverse knowledge, then please see the resource links in the description box below. We have Kindle ebooks, print books and audiobooks on all your favorite crypto and blockchain subjects, which will help you get from beginner to advance in no time. Therefore, check the resources in the description box below and start earning today.